Hello friends! So, is your car struggling to accelerate? Do you feel a delay in throttle response or, is your check engine light on? The P0510 code stands for Closed Throttle Position Switch Malfunction. Basically, this means the ECM, or Engine Control Module, has detected that the throttle position switch isn't working correctly. The switch is supposed to tell the ECM when the throttle is fully closed, but if it fails, your engine might idle wrong or struggle with acceleration. Ignoring this code can lead to rough idling, hesitation, and poor fuel economy. Poor acceleration or hesitation, high or erratic idle RPM, check engine light on, rough engine performance, throttle not responding properly. If you're facing these issues, it's probably time to diagnose the problem. Alright, so to diagnose code P0510, you'll need to find a few key components under the hood. The throttle position sensor, or TPS, and the closed throttle position, or CTP switch, are both important here. You'll usually find them mounted right on the throttle body, which is near the intake manifold. Next up, the throttle body assembly itself. It's connected directly to the intake manifold, sitting just behind the air filter housing. The accelerator pedal position sensor, if your vehicle uses electronic throttle control, is typically mounted right on the accelerator pedal, just under the dashboard. Now the ECM and its wiring harness connections are important to know about. The ECM is usually found either under the hood or tucked away inside the dashboard. Here's a handy tip. Most P0510 issues actually come from a faulty throttle position sensor or sometimes just broken wiring. So, let's talk about some of the most common causes behind a P0510 code. First up, a faulty throttle position sensor or the closed throttle position switch. Basically, if this switch fails, it just doesn't signal when the throttle is closed, which can really throw things off. Next, you might have loose or corroded electrical connections. Bad wiring can totally disrupt how the throttle communicates with the ECM. Another thing to watch for is a dirty or stuck throttle body. Carbon buildup can actually block the throttle's movement. And though it's pretty rare, a faulty ECM could be the culprit. If the ECM misreads signals, it might just throw that P0510 code. Alright, so let's walk through how to fix that P0510 code. First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0510 code. Next, inspect the throttle position sensor and the CTP switch. If you spot any damage, go ahead and replace them. Then check all the wiring and connectors, and look for any wires that might be damaged, loose, or corroded. After that, clean the throttle body by removing any carbon buildup using throttle cleaner. Finally, reset the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the issue's been resolved. So, the P0510 code is usually caused by a faulty throttle position sensor, bad wiring, or maybe just a dirty throttle body. Fixing it will restore smooth acceleration, give you better fuel economy, and help prevent any annoying engine hesitation. If you want more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0266, which covers cylinder 2 contribution or balance fault, and P0267 for cylinder 3 contribution or balance fault. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching.